There's Barry and Padme. Whoop. No, you guys don't eat seed. This is bird seed, not for pugs. Not for pugs. It's for this guy up here. Come on, down you come. Come on. That's better. How's that? Bit of sun on you, hey? You don't like getting too close to that guy down there. Barry, hello. He's a handsome boy. Hey? Who's a handsome boy? Not me. He is. You are so beautiful. Aren't you? Get some light on us. Hey? You are such a gorgeous boy. This is what it's like in paradise. You want a drink after this? A drink of water? Oh, you're going to chase him off. I guess that's you don't want to share your food, do you? Come on. Up there. Come on, you can do it. You can land. You can land. Come on, you can do it. Be brave. Norwegian maple. And here's one of the boys. And there's the girl. Hello, gorgeous. Hello. Who else is going to come in for some food? Hey, who else is going to have some? Did you chase her away? Come on, girls. You can come in. Come on.